This is why I don't got friends. Alright, let me get into this. Alright.
Barbie, I see you work at Arby's. Number 2, supersize. Hurry up, I'm starving. Gnarly, radical. On the block, I'm magical. See me at your college campus, baggy full of Adderalls. Call me if you need a fix. Call me.
Hey guys, it's Sarah and I'm back with another video. This is my third video on YouTube. You know, I'm keeping consistent and motivated. So in today's video, we are going to do another makeup look. I'm feeling a little risky and like a little creative, so I was like, let's make a video today. And plus my outfit is looking nice. I'm gonna show y'all my outfit. So yeah, we're doing another makeup look, and we're gonna do a makeup look that's like kind of going with the outfit. So stay tuned if you guys want to see that. But before we get into the video, at the end of the video, if you guys like the video, make sure y'all like, and if you guys want to keep up and see what other videos I end up posting, make sure y'all subscribe to it and hit the little notification bell. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into the makeup look. I'm really upset that I was not born with colored eyes. You know how amazing I look right now? Like a bitch don't know how to act. A bitch don't know how to act with colored eyes. Like, oh. Alright guys, so I did decide to straighten my hair, you know, because I can't stand my hair not straightened. But this is the final look. I did add contacts and I did go a little crazy because in person, even my brother came up here and he was like, oh my god, you look terrifying. So this is a little extreme, but I love the look. I love how everything came out. I feel like on camera that it looks different than in person. Like if you were to, like I have glitter, if you were to come up to me in person, like I have glitter all over here and it just looks like pow. So guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to, subscribe and leave a comment down below on the next video you guys want me to do, or if you guys have any suggestions on how I can make the videos even better. I'll leave all the information of where I got my palettes, where I got my lashes, my contacts, everything in the description, and I'll leave my social media and everything in the description too. So thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next week. Peace.